So in this video, I will be customizing my Nintendo Switch OLED. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it so we can start working on it. Nintendo Switch unboxed, so now let's tape it up and start sending. So while waiting for the spray paint to dry, now it's time to make the sketch. But when I picked up my pencil to draw, I realized that I had artist block. So I thought, but still couldn't get any ideas. Luckily, my friend was home that day, so I decided to ask for some ideas, and here's how it went.
Hey man, it's good man.
I need your help.
Sure man, what can I help you with?
So I'm trying to customize this Nintendo Switch, but I don't know what to draw. Can you help me with some ideas?
I have some ideas in mind.
Sure man, so what kind of ideas do you have? I was kind of thinking of drawing either like rule or character. So which one do you like?
Well, I was actually thinking, how about both?
You know what? Let's do it. Okay, so now that we got that terrible accent out of the way, let's start sketching. Sketch done, and we're gonna be using the crazy graphic technique. And so, let's do it. Graphic technique done, so now let's start painting. I'll be using pastel markers, so let's make magic.
Everything I do it my way. Everywhere I go, I hear them say.
I'll be painting a character surrounded by a bunch of doodles, so let's do it. Console done and it looks great. Just decided to ask my twin sister what she thought about it, so here's how it went. What do you think about this?
What's that? It's alright.
Oh, I hate you. What? Now let's customize the Switch dock. It's gonna be a character surrounded by a bunch of doodles as well. So, let's make magic.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return to the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro.
Front of the Switch stuff done, so now it's time to paint the Joy-Cons and the Joy-Con grip as well.
Something that I need to say. If you choose to listen, that's okay. I'm a daisy daydream.
Joy-Con grip painting, here we go.
So hello sister, blue sky.
Everything is customized and I hope you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Enjoy the show.